Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves. Of the mango, mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. Red color. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Mango is the national fruit of India, and it is one of the most favorite fruits. Mango is a tropical fruit, that is, it grows well in the warm climate of the tropics. Mostly mangoes are oval, and the color of mango skin varies from green, yellow to red and green. A mango has one big seed, and the mango seed is an edible. Mango is termed as the king of all fruits, and we all love having mangoes. The mango tree grows in the hot and humid climate of the world. This tree is very tall in size and leaves are in colors of yellow, green, copper color, or purple. Green color. When advanced, the leafage attains a structure that is leather-like, shady or dark green in color, and silky. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, again, we draw parallelly a curve inside it. Next we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. color. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout, watermelon is packed trusted source. Red color. With a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C, now we enjoy it. Red color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.